Hey there, and welcome to another video with Ulrich. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails to your prospect, customer, or staff. So in order to do that, we're going to need an autoresponder, your list of emails, your list of contacts. I do have my list. I've done some data mining of my list here. And you're also going to need your message. The reason why I chose ActiveCampaign as my autoresponder is because I have had a great experience with ActiveCampaign, and a lot of my clients have also had a great time with ActiveCampaign. So if you want to try ActiveCampaign for 14 days for free, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can have a look at it and tell me what you think. So at the moment, I do have 31 contacts in this ActiveCampaign account. I'm going to import all of my contacts here into a specific list. So the first thing we need to do is we need to convert our Excel sheet list into a CSV file. The reason being is because all autoresponders do accept CSV files. So you must have all of your contacts. You must have your Excel sheet into a CSV file. And also, it must be into CSV file. And you see, when it comes to CSV file, there's something very important that I want to stress. It sounds very insignificant and of very little value, but it's very important. You know, when you have a name, for example, a name, phone, and email address, right? So please make sure you insert all the details accordingly. Right, you don't want to put one, like first name, and then the second one you don't put the phone number, and then the third one. So you want to have all the details in there. Everything has to be lined up and organized, because if you don't have those details organized, ActiveCampaign is not going to import, any autoresponder is not going to import your details into the autoresponder. So make sure you have that. And once you have it now, you need to convert your file into a CSV file. You come here to File, click on Save As. On Save As, you need to come down here and click on CSV, comma delimited, right? It's very important that you click on this. And then I'm going to name this file 2.3. And then click on Save. It will say here, data mining mattress store UK may contain features that are not compatible with CSV. So don't worry about this message. Just click on yes. And now I'm moving to my autoresponder. And once I'm here, the first thing and very first thing I need to do is to create a list. The reason being I create a list is because I want to have all of a specific type of contacts into a specific group. So I don't want to mix things up and you know, create confusion, because for example, the message that you write for your prospect is going to be different from a message that you write for your customers, you know. So you need to take that into consideration. That's why creating a list is so important. And here I'm going to click on add a list, and I'm going to name my list website, right? That's the name. My list URL is going to be my website name, ulrichmedia1.com. List description is going to be, here's the list. So it's basically, the list description is basically a reason. So it's a reminder of the reason why they are receiving that email. So right, I'll say, hey there, you're receiving this email. Hey there, hey there, you are receiving this email because we met at a business event at London Excel. So right, you copy that, and then you come here and you paste the description. So I have now posted my description here, space it out, and then I click on add. So it now says here list added. And once the list has been added, I need to come down here and import contacts. On import contacts, there are many ways you can import contact. You can use softwares, right? There's so many softwares here, as you can see. You can import contact manually. You can enter your contact manually, copy and paste, right? Or you can import contact through your CSV file. I'm going to use the CSV file method because it's quicker and better. So I click on import, come to my desktop, scroll down to the very bottom, and I think I've got the file here. So it's data mining mattress 2.3, and then I click on open. So it has now imported my file. Now it says your content was passed, right? Column to import. So it says here, text, do not import this field. Name, phone number, email address, right? So the column to import might differ from your, like you see, from your needs, right? Because me, for example, I've got a name, phone number, and email. That's why I've only got so much column to import. So yours might be different. And my list is a website. It's already pre-selected because I selected the list before. Add tags, I can add tags, but I don't really have to. In this specific tutorial, I don't want to go into more into the technical jargon. I want to keep it very simple for you and make it easier for you to understand. So once I've done that, and I need to click on here, imports now. So it says here, your import has been completed. So anytime you import your contacts, you need to view reports to check if everything was done accordingly. So you click here on view reports. The report says total item found 60, imported 56, partially imported 0, not imported 4. So I will tell you why it says not imported 4. The reason why it says not imported 4 is because here on the very top is where it says name. Sorry, I need to say this. I'm going to have to hide the data because these are people information. So I'm hiding the data. I'm only showing you the important part, right? So where it says here name, for example, where it says here name, phone, and emails, right? So that's counted as a column. And on the system is counted as a contact. So that's why you think it's been imported, but it hasn't been imported. And these columns here at the bottom, some of the columns 60 here, and some other details. But you have to rest assured that all of the contacts have been imported into ActiveCampaign. It has been imported. So it was just to explain to you why you saw 4 contacts there. So now all of my contacts have been imported. I need to go back now to ActiveCampaign again. As you can see here, I had 31 contacts at the beginning. Now I have 87 contacts. So 56 contacts were added. So now I need to click on create a campaign. On create a campaign, I will name my specific campaign. I'll name this website sales page. So my campaign is called website sales page, and I will basically choose it to be a standard, right? And as I've chosen it as a standard, I need to move on to next. So as you can see here, I have moved now to next. List name, I need to select my list name is called website, and next. And as you can see now, we are now on this specific page where all the templates are. So these are examples of template that ActiveCampaign offers us. However, we can always write our own templates, right? We can always design our own templates. So you can start from scratch, but for this specific example, I'll use a ready-made template. So I won't really have to build one from scratch. And here, when it comes to like a sender's details, one thing I need to mention here is that ActiveCampaign likes professional emails. What I mean by professional emails are email without @Gmail, @Hotmail, @L, @Yahoo, and so on, right? So they like emails such as contact at, or info at, right? It doesn't have to be, okay, I'll give you an example. An example will be contact@richmedia1.com. That's a professional email. There's no Gmail, there's no Hotmail inside. And that's basically what it means, what I mean by professional email. And now when you come here, I'll add my subject line. I'll just basically copy my subject line here and paste my subject line here. So, okay, a well-designed website turns visitor into customers, and then I click on continue. And now, as you can see here, this is these are the details that I have, right? So here it says, hey, first name. I can decide to put the first name, right? Let's see how we can customize this. So here's the first name. I could personalize this and put, instead of having the first name here, I can have the full name, first name, last name, phone number, and the list goes on really. But for this specific example, I will leave it as first name. This is a sample on how you should write your email based on ActiveCampaign. You can always tailor it in your own way. I've written my email in my own specific way, but this is a great model to model from as well. I'm going to delete this. So I'll just delete this. I've got my message already written, right? This is my message. Okay, so that's my message. I'll copy this, come down here and paste my message. So basically that's my message, right? And everything is here, the disclaimer, everything is there. So now where it says you can schedule a free discovery call here, I'm going to highlight this. You see this link? That's my calendar link. It's where people can actually go and schedule meetings with me if they want to speak with me about the business or something marketing related. So I have copied this. I have now copied this link. I'm going to link it up to this specific area. So I'm going to make this specific test a clickable link, and I click here on link, paste the link there, and press OK. So now you can see this is a clickable link on the email. That's how it's going to display. And I'm going to delete this. So you can see here it's now a clickable link. It's turned blue. It says you can schedule a free discovery call here, as you can see. And down here, I'm going to change my avatar. My avatar is this one. As you can see here, your name. I'll change my name here. Ulrich Zirkwe, right? That's my name. Founder. I'll just Ulrich Zirkwe. I'll put here business. I'll just put business development executive. I've put business development executive here. I'll just delete this one. I'll delete that one because I don't want to repeat myself. I'm going to insert my email here is contact@richmedia1.com. contact@richmedia1.com. Going to change my social link now. My social link, I'll click here on clicking on icon will open the social page, right? So I want it to open the social page. I'll first of all shut down all the pages that I don't want to be linked to, right? That I don't want my email to be linked to. So I will shut down Twitter. However, if you do have Twitter and if you do have those platforms, you can decide to use the platform. But I'm not on those platforms, so that's up to you. So I'll first of all shut it down. Google Plus, Instagram. I'm on Instagram, but for this specific tutorial, I'm not going to use it. Tumblr, Patreon, Pinterest, WordPress, email. So I'll start with my website. Copy the link here, paste the link there. On YouTube, I'll basically go on YouTube here. That's my YouTube channel. Copy and paste the link of YouTube there. I have LinkedIn. I also go copy. Okay, now I've copied all the link of my social platforms, including my website, and I need to come here and click on save. Everything has now been saved. You need to double check your text, make sure everything is fine. So great. Now we click on next. So on next here, you just need to double check your campaign summary, right? So here I have my subject from contact@Media address. Everything is fine. Spam check. This is very important, right? This specific area is very important. Spam check has been tested, you know, so you always need to check. You always need to check the spam check. If you don't check the spam check, it could be your email is going to go into the junk mail, is going to go into rubbish and stuff, or into the spam. Always make sure you check your spam check, right? And then send a test email. I'm going to basically just send a test email, but I don't have to because the test, I've already passed the test here, but I'm just sending it just for the sake of sending it. And then I'll click here on send now. Do you want to send your campaign now? Yes, send the campaign. So it says, okay, we are processing your campaign. Okay, basically guys, that's how you send. Okay, your email is now being sent. Thank you very much indeed. So guys, that's how you send bulk emails with ActiveCampaign. I have other videos where I show you how to create a professional emails. If you want to get a 14-day trial of ActiveCampaign, you can. I'll also leave a link of that in the description below. You know, you can try it for free. You don't have to enter your credit cards. It's only after you've tried it, if you like, then you essentially use it. Yes, that was all. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop in down in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.